What's up, guys? If you have a need to want to restore black trim or black molding that is faded, like you'll see this area here, it's, the sun really gets to it, fades it out horribly. It could be for a car, a boat, a golf cart, pretty much anything that's got trim on it. We experiment with many different products here at Golf Cars of Canton, and we just found something that is working excellently. By Turtle Wax, called Graphic Acrylic Trim Restorer. It's actually a black liquid. Once you shake up the contents, shake it, wear some gloves. We used like a paste wax applicator. I mean, I guess you could use some kind of small towel or anything, but this would keep it probably easier and cleaner, because it will get everywhere if you're not careful with it. So we're going to have to clean it off some with probably some contact cleaner, like you see there. But look at the difference from there to there. Significant improvement. I'll put a link down below where you can get it online, but most of your common auto parts stores should have it. This has been treated all down through here. We'll just take some contact cleaner or brake cleaner on a cloth and remove it from any painted surfaces. All that's been done. That has not been done. So see the difference. Also, you see on the right, that's been treated versus not. Significant improvement. But yeah, the only trick is make sure that you wear some sort of rubber gloves, because it will get on you. And it might be good to use some painter's tape around the painted surface. That might be easier, to keep it off of it. So that's my recommendation. Use some painter's tape around the edge of the paint, and then you don't have to be as worried about it getting on your painted surface, which it shouldn't hurt anything. But just to keep it simple and easy. Anyway, check out other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel related to golf carts, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, hot rods, classic cars, stuff like that. And check out our social media links in the description. Y'all have a good day.